mind or the brain is subservient to the emotions that emerge in the heart. We have never come across anything that a person, he is happy, but the thoughts that are coming to him are of depression. If he is happy, he is happy. There'll be joy coming out of every part of him. The eyes would be happy, the smile would be there, everything would be there. And we will never come across someone who is sad and we will say that his thoughts are joyful. If his heart is sad, his thought will not be joyful. He will not be thinking of anything to do with fun or pleasure, but it would be another emotional state. This is the reason why Anbiya alayhi salam always worked on the qulub of the people. Their entire focus was on getting the hearts rejuvenated. Their entire focus was on making the people come to the state where the hearts become alive. Their entire focus was to clean the hearts. Their entire focus was to purify the hearts. These are the terms that are used or associated with a heart. A heart that is clean, a heart that is purified, a heart that is alive. And this is what needs to be done. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He explained the purpose of sending Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Kama arsalna fikum rasulam minkum, that we have sent to in your midst the messenger from among you, so that he can do what? Yatlu alaykum ayatina, so that he can recite to you our ayat. And then وَيُزَكِّيكُمْ, the second point on the agenda was so he can purify you. Where is that purification taking place? That purification is taking place with the hearts, right? And then comes وَيُعَلِّمُكُمْ, so that the next thing is related with the brain, so that he can now teach you. يُعَلِّمُكُمُ الْكِتَابَ وَالْحِكْمَةِ. Kitab and hikmat. Wisdom is where? Wisdom is not in the heart. Wisdom is that your thought processing is giving you the right outcome. It's not garbage in, garbage out. So if Yuzakikum has started now giving you good input, your output would start coming out good as well, right? وَيُعَلِّمُكُمْ مَا لَمْ تَكُونُوا تَعْلَمُونَ, and to teach you things which you do not know of. So the purpose of the messengers has always been to give us things which can help purify our heart.